Welcome. Today, we'll explore the vital topic of browser caching and its impact on web performance. Understanding how browser cache operates is crucial for optimizing your loading times. Let's take a closer look at the mechanics behind it. By optimizing your cache, you can experience significantly faster loading times while reducing server load. It's a win-win. Setting the right cache control and expires headers is essential. These configurations will dictate how your resources are cached. Make the most out of your browser cache by leveraging it for static resources such as images, CSS, and JavaScript files. Implementing versioning and cache busting ensures your users are always served the latest assets, keeping your cache fresh. Using CDNs can dramatically improve caching efficiency by serving content closer to the user's locations. To ensure your optimizations are working, it's essential to measure cache performance using tools and metrics. Watch out for common pitfalls in caching. Proper settings are crucial to avoid issues that can slow down your site. In conclusion, optimizing your browser cache is critical for fast and efficient web performance. Keep reviewing and updating your settings.